Okay, in this section we will understand what is cube root. First, you want to understand what is cube. Cube refers to a three-dimensional object with equal length, equal breadth, and equal height. So in this case, we say that 8 is a cube number, and 8 is equals to 2 times 2 times 2, or we call it 2 cube. So same thing, when we do a cube root of 8, we cannot just write it as this, because we know that this is actually a square. So this is called a square root, but usually square root we do not need to write the 2 there. So this case we know that this is a square root of 8. So to indicate a cube, what we need to do is we need to put an 8 and a small 3 outside. So this is called cube root. So the meaning of cube root of 8 means if I have 3 number and these are the same number, what times what will give you 8? We know that it's 2 times 2 times 2, and in this case cube root of 8 will be simply 2. We can also go on and find other number. In this case, we know that cube root of 27 is 3 times 3 times 3, and this will be equals to 3. Now, fast forward a bit. Questions will probably ask you a cube root using prime factorization. So let's take a number to study. Alright. Say for example, I want to find cube root of 27,000 using prime factorization. Same thing, I will need to take 27,000 and I will divide by 2, and it goes until I get 1. Now fast forward a bit, I know this is 2 cube times 3 cube times 5 cube. So how do I present my answer? Very simple. I will take 27,000 is equal to, first I break this number into the prime factorization. So this is 2 cube times 3 cube times 5 cube. And I ask myself, if I were to split this number into 3 brackets with the same number in each bracket, I have to split all these numbers into the 3 brackets. So since there are 3 2's, to split into 3 brackets, I will have 1, 2 each. Same for 3. So this is times 3, this is times 3, this is times 3, and lastly times 5 times 5 times 5. I work out a number. This was 30 times 30 times 30, and I know that if I were to do a cube root, I forgot to write the 3. Without the 3 it becomes square root, so just take note. So then now this will be 30, right? And I think you are good to try the rest of the question yourself.